Welcome to the AIM meeting in Alameda.
We meet on the second Tuesday of every month and have fascinating guests.
Come join us for great breakfast and networking with fellow real estate professionals.
Welcome to the Central County Marketing Group, where we serve the heart of the Bay. Castro Valley, Hayward, San Leandro, and San Lorenzo. Come on out, get to know our market, and what else can they learn?
Yes, come join us here at the Central County Marketing Group. You can network, meet your affiliates, meet your fellow agents, and get to know everyone. So when you submit offers, they knew who the offer's coming from. You might have a better chance. So come out, join us. It's always a fun time.
Welcome to the Real Estate Alliance of Livermore. We meet on Thursday mornings at First Street Ale House in downtown Livermore. Hope to see you there.
Welcome to the Real Estate Alliance of Livermore, Tri-Valley's flagship real estate community. Come join us on Thursday mornings to promote your business and meet other real estate professionals in your area.
Welcome to TCMC, or better known as Tri-City Marketing Council. We represent Fremont, Newark, and Union City. Our meeting is held every Thursday at 9 a.m. at El Patio Restaurant in Fremont. We'd like to invite you to meet your fellow realtors, affiliates, and great speakers. At TCMC, it's not just a meeting, it's an experience. Hope to see you here soon.
Good morning, my name is Ramez Bahu. I'm the president of VREN, and I want to invite you out to come out to our networking events that happen every Friday morning at Inklings Coffee in downtown Pleasanton. Come out and be part of a great group of realtors that are on the cutting edge of real estate.